Hey guys, it's Vic from DNB Mobile Auto. We've come to a customer's house in West Vancouver to clean their Mercedes. There's quite a bit of mold in the car, so they would like us to do a mold remediation, get rid of all the mold, no match. So this is the before arm video, and we will take an after video too. Give us a call from West Vancouver to Abbotsford. The guys at DNB are here to help you take care of your car detailing needs. We come to your location at your home or at your work, and we take care of, we help you clean your cars. 604-518-6684. DNB Mobile Auto. So we just finished the car, and I wanted to take an after video. We're in West Vancouver. Luckily it's not raining today. All the mold has been taken care of. The car is totally clean. So give us a call, 604-518-6684. Happy to come down and help you clean your car, mold, or just general cleaning. We will come to your house. For this particular customer, we are doing it out of their house in Vancouver, and we can come to your house or your workplace, do it out of your parking lot. All we need is access to power supply. Thank you.